to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 4 of December. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so we stuffed in a total of $1,040 today. So let me just count the money. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. 50, 650. So we have 650 right here. 70, 90, 7, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 8, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 9, 10, 30, 50. So that's 950. 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,010. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we do have 1,040 today. So we're gonna start with our utilities envelope. So utilities this week is getting $50. Okay, on to our cash envelopes. Okay, so we do have some money left in groceries. So we have 10, 11, 12, and you guys already know these dollars is going into my kids' piggy bank, and this 10 is going to the side, and I'm going to show you guys what I do with this $10 bill. And groceries this week is getting, as usual, $120. So 120. Okay, and next is a gas, and gas is getting $20. Spending is getting $20 also. Beauty is getting 10. And giving is getting $5. Okay guys, on to our sticky funds. Alright guys, on to my kids' savings. So Lanesia and Jaden is getting $175 this week. They received some Christmas money, and I still added their $25 on top. So we are adding 175, so 100, 20, 40, 60, 75. Okay, so Lanesia has 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 55, 65, 70. So Lanesia has $6,670. Okay, next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting 175. 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 5. Okay, so Jaden has 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65. So Jaden has $6,465. Okay, and next is a vacation, and vacation is getting $15. 150, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 225 in vacation. Okay, and next is family time. And you guys, I am so upset. So family time is only getting $10, and you guys already know I was stuck at family time like crazy because we were planning on going Disney on Ice. So this morning I checked, and come to find out I never purchased the tickets, and I checked this morning to like see if it's still available, and it was all sold out. So I'm really upset about that. I really was looking forward to bringing my kids to Disney on Ice. I was looking forward on going too, and now it's just really upsetting because I thought I had purchased the ticket. So now I'm gonna try to find somewhere else to go because I do want my kids to go out for a little bit, like to a light show or something, probably to Sesame Place. I'm not sure yet. We'll see because it is really cold out. Okay, family time has $100, 200, 50, 70, 90, $300. Okay, last is Drip, which is our clothing envelope, and Drip is getting $30. 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20. So we have 320 in Drip. Okay guys, on to our emergency fund binder. Okay, so starting off with our cash emergency is getting $20 this week. So we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60. So we have 1860 in our emergency fund. Next is our home emergency, and that is getting $195. So that $195 amount was from my scratch off. So whatever I scratch off from my diamond and my gold this week is gonna go next week in my home emergency fund envelope. So I scratched off 100. I scratched off 150, I believe. Let me just double check. 160 from the diamond challenge, and then on the gold challenge I scratched off $35. So that is a total of $195, and that's where that amount came from. So let's put 150, 70, 95. Okay, so in home emergency we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 400, 50, 550, 600, 20, 40, 60, 85, 90. So we have 1690 in our home emergency. Okay, next is our car emergency fund, and it's getting $15 this week. So 10 and a 5. So we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 50, 70, 90, 6, 10, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65. So we have 1665 in our car emergency fund. Next is health emergency fund, and it's getting 20 bucks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 50, 70, 90, 10, 30, 55, 60. So we add 660 for health. Alright guys, time to scratch off our challenge. So let's start off with the gold challenge today. So we're gonna scratch off, let's do the first gem. So that's $45. And then let's go into the diamond challenge, and I want to scratch off the first one also. So let's do the first one, and it's $155. So 155 plus 45 is $200. Yes. So let me actually write it down here so I can remind myself how much I need to stuff next week. So that is 200 bucks. Alright guys, on to my group finder. Okay, so I won't be stuffing Christmas today because Christmas just passed, so whatever that's left out of this envelope is gonna go into my home emergency. And also I want to give a status update on orders. So if your order is from 10/3/95, I'll be starting from that number, and I'll be doing 30 orders from that. So probably to 10/4/25. If your order number is between those, I'll be shipping those out tomorrow. So I'm gonna be doing 30 orders tonight and shipping out tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'll do another 30. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a little update on your guys' order. So Christmas isn't getting stuffed, but we're gonna count how much we have in here. I did not take the money out yet, so in my update Sika Funds video, which is should be my next video, if not it might be a pack orders with me, but I will be taking out the funds out of here that I did spend on more Christmas gifts. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 40, 60, 70. So we have 670 in Christmas. Okay, next is back to school, and back to school isn't getting stuff, but I believe we have 180 in there. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. You guys, I actually might start this envelope over too. And if I do, you guys already know that this money is going to go into my home emergency fund envelope. So yeah, I'll decide on that in my update Sika Funds video. Okay, next is invest, and we do have some money left from my cash envelopes from last week, which was the $10, and that is going into my invest envelope. Okay, next is gifts, and gifts is getting 30 bucks. So we have 150, 100, 20, 40, 60, 75. So 175 in gifts. Okay, last guys is my 52-week saving challenge. So you guys already know we completed my boyfriend's 26-week savings challenge, and he already took his money. He took his envelope, he put it in the bank. So that's why you guys don't see that in here. And my saving challenge is getting 150. So let me actually get a marker and scratch off that last box. You guys, I am super proud of myself for completing this challenge. So let's just count just to make sure we do have 5 bands in my 52-week savings challenge. So 1, 2, 3, 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 750, 850, 950, 70, 90, 5,000. You guys, we saved up 5 racks in just 1 year, in one challenge, one savings challenge. So I'm proud of myself, and you guys already know in 2022 I am doing the $10,000 one, which is the diamond and gold combined. And yeah, so you guys know that this is gonna get Miss Rosa Parks placeholder in here, and that's gonna go into my home emergency, and you guys will see that in my next video, my Secret Funds update video. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.